Hello, folks. I will show you in this video how you can use PokeBot.ninja with the website PokeSnipe.Ninja. So I guess you are all aware by bot. You know what does it mean, and I assume that you have already used PokeBot.ninja application, which is located here, PokeBot.ninja, and I will assume that you know everything about how to snipe Pokemons and also how to farm accounts with using this application. So we are not going to talk about PokeBot.ninja application in this video. I'm just going to show you how you use the website PokeSnipe.Ninja associated with this application. So we will just make sure that your Java is up to date, and I will also invite you to install Node.js on your desktop. So I created two accounts at PTC Pokemon Training Club, and in the first part of the video we will see how we can snipe within one account, and in the other part we will see how to farm accounts. So I created an account, the first one. Make sure first of all when you download PokeBot.ninja to register the sniper protocol, Ninja Sniper Register CMD. Click twice on it and that's it. You have installed the PokeSniping protocol. Okay, I'm gonna launch the PokeBot. This is my test account, first account. Okay, so no worry about hashing credential. They will expire tomorrow, so no need to use them tomorrow. It's just for purpose of my demonstration. So this is the first PokeBot application, and we will open the website. Okay, this is the PokeSnipe.Ninja website. This website is much better than PokesniperOrg and much better also than all Discord channels. You know, I'm a cheater, I farm accounts, and I used to watch all maps in the world trying to catch the best Pokemon, and the final idea was to make a big website that will handle all the data around the world and concentrate them in one unique database. And PokeSnipe.Ninja, well, it shows you the data. I have actually more than 500,000 Pokemon in my database. So if you are fed up from watching Discord channels and fed up of following PokeSnipe's website, blah blah blah, and get banned for unreal location and fake positions, so you have to use my website, and I assure you will be satisfied for the result. So you can register for free. Well, I have the French version, but because my navigator is French, but in the English version you have register, and you can register for free to access my database. So I have created a test account for my demo, so don't use it because I will deactivate it after I finish the video. So here I am in the remembered area, and I'm ready to snipe. So just a bigger screen. And okay, I assume that you configured your PokeBot.ninja to kill switch after 900 code. This means that your bot will work until 900 Pokemons were caught. So, as I told you before, I assume that if you know how to bot in PokeBot.ninja, so we will not speak here about parameters and how to configure your bot. I'm just gonna check that I'm in Montpellier, okay, and I will start catching. Okay, I close the map, and here we go. My bot start walking and robbing Pokestops and catching Pokemon. So let's say here I need to catch, oh good Blissey. Okay, I select the best one available, and here I have a Blissey with 62%. Okay, there's an E-frame, so it's not a problem. Okay, I want to snipe this one. I click here, snipe, and automatically it will snipe my Pokemon. Just make sure to have enough Pokeballs in your bag to catch as much as you want Pokemon. So here we go. He caught a Blissey and with 62% IV. Okay, that's great. Okay, you know the principle of sniping. Either it catch it, or either it not. But it's not a problem. Those things happens. You have already tested the sniping options, and you know that there is a risk that the Pokemon in question run away. Okay, we will try to catch another Pokemon. Let's say the other one or this one. Okay, snipe it. Here we go. Okay, didn't find it. Okay, no problem. Oh, sorry. It's because I clicked on the expired one. So sorry, Jude. Sorry, folks. It's my fault. Okay, I'm going to snipe other Pokemons like Drachinis with IV greater than 70%. And here we go. Okay, I have here a Dratini 93%, 93% over here too, with attack 15. So I will snipe this one. We chosen this one. Okay, snipe. Okay, he found it. Now we'll try to catch it. %90% IV. Okay, which is great. So as I told you, my website is awesome, and the data is 900% true, and you have really real locations. As I do not farm, I do not scan, excuse me, I do not scan, I do not have maps, but I have agreements with scanners and they decided to feed me with the real data that I store on my website. And each 5 minutes I make a whole update of the database and delete expired Pokemons and import new ones. So this works. Okay, now I'm going to show you that it works also for multiple accounts. So I created a duplicated account. I think you can run up to 5 accounts at the same time using the same IP. So I did not nest yet with more than 5 accounts, but maybe there is a ban issue with the IP using more than 5 accounts. So I will launch the second account. Okay, login. Okay, great. Map, and I'm at Montpellier, and go on. Okay, now I'm using 2 accounts at the same time, and I'm gonna show you that my website will work for both applications. Okay, now I open the website and I will try to find. Okay, we have this one, which is great. Dragonair. Okay, let's catch Dragonair. So as you can see, the PokeSniper protocol has been launched for both sessions, and this will help me to farm multiple accounts at the same time. Now this is the web example on how we use the website within PokeBot application. Okay, he quoted here, that's great. Okay, now let's say that I'm going out of my home or out of my office. I have a meeting or a date with a beautiful girl, and I need my bot to work even when I'm not behind my PC. I have created an API access for PokeBot.ninja and also for Go Manager bot. So if you want to use Go Manager to farm account, you should download the Go Manager plugin we have on my website. So I will close this window and I will show you how to automate the catch. So CatchThem application, it's a pure JavaScript, so you can download it from my website, and please install node.js, otherwise it won't work because it uses JavaScript. Okay, what's inside the folder? We have few files. All what we are interested in is config.json, and in config.json I put my credential. Okay, the credential, you will receive them by email once you are registered on the website PokeSnipe.Ninja. So don't use the followings because I told you I will delete them after the demo purpose. So you will put the TID here and your username, and in Pokemon list you will list all the Pokemon that you wish to catch while you are not behind your PC. Just to note that it works also on Mac, on iOS, so don't worry, iOS runs JavaScript too. Okay, here we go. I open the window just to get the Pokemon IDs. Okay, here in the first place I tell him that catch all Snorlax which IV greater or equal to 0. So here in my case it will always search the database if any Snorlax exists, whatever is the IV. Okay, there's no Snorlax available actually because of the event in Japan. Sometimes from time to time I have some scanners that sends me one or two Snorlax, but it's not a problem. After the event you will have lots of them around the world. So I need, for example, I need to catch this one. Okay, Umbrellax, copy, add the comma, paste, and here we go, 246. So either I can put 0 here, and this means that it will catch all Umbrellax, whatever is the IV, which is good for having eggs, because sometimes you don't need you need lot of eggs to power up or to evolve a Pokemon. So here I tell him catch all Umbrellax, whatever is the IV. Okay, let's take the case of Dragonite, which Pokemon ID is okay 149. Add a comma, paste 149, and here I will specify that I need at least 80% IV. It's nonsense to put 0 because a Dragonite with 0 IV is useless. So it's a waste of time, and you know, you can't snipe a Pokemon each second. You need a cooldown interval of 120 seconds to snipe another Pokemon. So be careful. Never go below 2 minutes or 120 seconds. If you go below, you will get banned, and if you increase this number, you will get more secure. You will have more secure account. So the risk of being banned is here. Either you increase the number, and in this case you are secured. Either you lower the time, and it's on your own risk. So here I go back to my example for Dragonite, and I will tell him that I need a Dragonite at least 80%. I save my file. Okay, and also please note that the config.json file, open it with Notepad++. Never edit this file with classic Notepad on Windows. Please download Notepad++, and you will be able to configure this file. Okay, Snorlax, Umbrellax, and Dragonite. You can add more Pokemons, but I guess since the session of each Pokebot, well, here I set it to catch 900 Pokemon, and I disabled the hours, maximum hour for amount of minutes. Okay, I disabled the time. So here in my example, my Pokebot application will shut down after it caught 900 Pokemon. Okay, here also I will check it. Okay, 900. Okay, so as I told you, you can add as much Pokemon as you want, but it's not necessarily, since the database will send you 500 Pokemons each 3 minutes, and the interval is 120 seconds. So it's useless to go below these parameters. You will not catch more than Pokemon than the time permits in human behavior. So you can, for example, make one day for 3 Pokemons, another day tomorrow for another 3 different Pokemons. You can go up to 6. Honestly, when I farm and when I bought, I use 5 examples only. I don't use more than 5 Pokemon. So I'm ready to snipe. Okay. By the way, In PokeBot.ninja there is an automation, snipe automation tool here using PokeSniper.org and with some parameters, but I already used this service and I already paid PokeSniper.org to use their service, and I got banned because lots of their Pokemon had fake GPS location, and I wasn't satisfied from the result. So I tested PokeSniper.org around 1 month, and I had 50% of fake GPS position, and I wanted to do my own script that works for me. So here we go. Okay, I can shut down this window, and since my config.json is okay, I click on CatchThem, and here we go. It will catch my Pokemons automatically. Okay, here it will search for Larvitar or Ombrilex in French. Okay, it found it. Had been caught 91% IV. Okay, that's cool. Okay, we will let it run for 3 or 5 minutes to see how it's going. And I can shut this window. And as I told you, you can add as much session as you want from PokeBot.ninja. You can actually add more accounts. So personally, I bought 5 accounts maximum. When I want to farm hundreds of accounts, I use Go Manager. Okay, it's sniping for another one. Okay, great, another Larvitar. So actually, I want to explain something that the priority order is set like this. So my SQL will do a select from my database where Pokemon equal 143 and IV equal whatever, and if found, it will launch the sniper protocol. If it doesn't found any result, it will go to the second one, and also for the third one, etc, etc. So the priority is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, etc. Now you can, if you want to catch more Pokemon, you can take the risk. Okay, we'll shut this down, and let's say, okay, each 60 seconds save, and here we go. Okay, now it will try to catch each 60 seconds. It will try to catch a Pokemon. Since you know that the Pokemon is rare, you can put the rarest Pokemon at the top. Okay? For example, okay, don't forget the comma and delete the comma from here and save. Okay? The rarest Pokemon on the top of the list will help you to get rarest Pokemon first and then the eggs and the lower important Pokemon in after. Let's see now if in my members area is there any Dragonite. Okay, there is some. And with IVs, okay, 60%. Okay, and we know that this Pokemon is very rare. What do we have also? This one. 53%. Okay, this one is okay, 248. Let's see. Okay. Okay, we will use Dragonite. 149. And I will tell him 60%. Okay, save. Okay, now it will look for Snorlax, whatever is the IV, and then if found, okay. If not found, it will go to the other one, Dragonite, with at least 60% IV. If found, okay, we snipe. If not, we go to the next one, and so on. Okay, I saved my file. I launch it. Oh, sorry. Okay, as you can see, now it's trying to catch the Dragonite that we saw on the website, which is located here. This one. Okay, it found it here, and it's trying to catch him on both applications. I hope you enjoy my demo. I can now shut my browser off and I can go out and go to a date, go anywhere I want, or even go to bed, because usually what I do is each night at midnight I launch my application, and the next morning I wake up and check my bag for hunting results. So you can leave it as is, you can go out, you can do whatever you want. Once PokeBot.ninja will shut down, everything will shut down, and you will keep a log file or a list of Pokemon you caught. That's it. I hope you enjoyed my demo, and if you need, if you have any suggestion or observation, please email us. Don't forget to share my website and enjoy it. I hope receiving your comments very soon on our Facebook page or on our email, which is located on our website. So that's it. I go out and I tell you bye bye.